Hello, Bar.
Hey,
What's up? How are you?
I don't know actually.
Why?
I need to be good because we are making a video because I'm not that good.
Why are not good?
Because I need to breathe. Every breath, it's my back is hurt. Here.
So you need massage?
I don't know what I need. I need relaxation, I think.
So you wanna go to sleep?
This is not relaxation.
Today
Maybe
it's a Christmas day.
Yeah, I wore
Green and
my Christmas shirt, you know.
really.
This is the closest one to Christmas shirt. I have something with velvet in Israel. It would really
So it's
to
true that. But we're not.
But we are not. in
But we
Israel.
have a really exciting
Notice.
notice. Like two exciting.
Two?
Yeah, two.
What is
The
second?
first one, this is the most important thing, is the first one is
Yeah.
that we got our song finally, and we really love it, and we are
Finally!
going to publish it so soon. You want to tell them the day?
What do you think?
We're going to publish it finally.
What do you think?
Finally.
Like at the beginning of the year, you know, we will open 2024
Yeah.
with our new song. So it's exciting.
So, January 1st, this is our date, and we're going to publish the song. So,
Hope you were waiting for us. I
And
know
we
that
love
it's
it.
like take a lot of time, but
first song, Trauma. So, you have 1 week for that. And the second notice
that I don't know about.
that she doesn't know, but I'm going to say to you. I just want you to see the view because Bar see that what you see, it's not really beautiful, but what we see,
It's amazing.
amazing.
You know, so
Yeah.
I'm part
I'm part of the amazing. The second one that we are going to fly
Oh.
really soon. We're not going to tell you where, but
You
it's
didn't
going
tell
to
Mom.
be. We
You
didn't
told
tell
Mom?
mom. No, we should call
You
our mom.
you told people and not tell mom.
I will call to my mom before this song was going to be
Okay.
published. This song, this video. All my mind is only about the song.
Yeah,
So
you can see that.
So we are going to fly with Coco Boy. Is going to kill me that I'm going to say it,
Ooh.
but we are going to fly with Coco Boy. We are going to
To another island. you
yeah,
know?
amazing island that we're not going to tell you what.
So we're going to travel.
But it's going to be so soon, like really,
It will
really,
be for
really
Ayelet
soon.
B-Day and
Birthday.
Chanel B-Day and maybe my B-Day.
All of us. We're going to fly and we're going to do vlogs. We decided only for this trip, like to make vlog like as a traveler, you know, like our day. That's what we decided. So I'm saying it to you in order that we will really do that.
Okay, like
It will happen,
no,
Mal.
okay.
Because we are not
promise.
really a traveler
Vlog.
vloggers, but that's what we will do only in this
But we are
occasion.
traveling a lot, so I know that you will be interested in that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It's going to be really interesting.
Legend.
You can try and guess what is the country that we're going to be,
The comments.
but it will be amazing, and it's 4 of us, and we really love to travel with Coco Boy and Chanel, and will be really good. And
Another thing that Ayelet wants to mention is
that we a lot of people try to guess my age on the comments.
a lot.
And-
Ayelet, tell the truth. It was 3 or something.
Soon it will be a lot. So I'm not 27.
And she's
I'm
not,
not even
24.
close.
And she's not 21.
Yeah.
All of you that wrote those comments.
Yeah, I'm 23. Yeah, I celebrated 23 a few days ago, and I have to say that it's really exciting that a lot of you, we are walking on the street, and a lot of you start to recognize us and to
Yeah.
tell us, "Hey, Yaman
Yaman
Girls,
Girls.
I saw you."
You are 34, you are 23, and I'm
Yeah. People really told us that, and it was really nice.
Yeah,
you know,
it
it's It's good. We love it.
She doesn't have words because she's excited, you know.
We really love it, you know, the fact that you are coming and speaking and
Yeah, I
really
like it.
listening and after that telling us.
And knows facts, like it's
It
not
shows something.
Yeah, it's not something that I don't take it as a
Granted.
Yeah, for granted.
Yeah, me too. And
So
we
we
changed a bit
changed-
the location.
Yeah, the angle, you know.
Yeah, the angle. So I wanted to tell you that now we are working on new song. Two, three, two.
It will
Right
be maybe
now,
4, but yeah, 2.
Eventually, it will be an album.
Yeah.
But I feel like now we really know the process and we are more professional after first song. It's like easier to do things.
Yeah,
on
because
the
we know the
second.
people that we want to work with, and also we met some guy that is a videographer that maybe will make our video clip.
Yeah.
So it's also amazing.
It's a question if it will be on the first song or on the second.
Yeah, but it's
need
also
to
amazing
think.
that God bring us people in the exact time. You know?
Yeah.
So now we finished the
I feel
song
like
and
everything is core. It's like right
Yeah.
when you're starting and you're really full and trying to do something.
And
Eventually,
trust
you see.
the road, like the way.
Yeah, you see that people are just attracted to you too.
Because you are so beautiful. It's
Thank
not-
you. So we are working on the songs, and I hope it will touch your heart,
Yes.
like Trauma. That I hope will touch your heart because it's a
I think that
it's a
we're all a
difficult
bit.
song. It's not happy.
We're all a bit traumatized, you know?
Yeah.
So if you will really listen to the lyrics, I think you can connect.
Yeah, I think also. I really love mellow songs sometimes. I don't like only happy songs. Like rock, it's mellow
Yeah.
songs. So for me, I really connect to this song.
You know when Ayelet is really mellow? No, when
Mellow?
when she really wants to hear or listen to those kind of songs, it's when we are driving at night, you know? And
I really love to hear,
the darkness falls, and then you
The
want to
demons
be,
come out. This is
and
our
then
song.
you want to be like to connect to your soul in a different way.
And then I really love rock. But you also,
Yeah.
no, in the night. Like for
Not
me, in
only
the
at
night, it's the
night.
time I really love to hear rock.
Not only at night, I think that I love it also. Depends on my mood also.
Yeah, me too, of course. But usually in the night, I have this vibe of
Yeah, connection to your soul. You want something deep.
So this song will not be like the other song we're planning to do, like Trauma, because Trauma is more
Strong and deep.
strong,
And
deep, hard, sad, but with hope, tough, like real, I think.
yeah.
The other song we want to be happier. We want
But
to
it will
happier.
be tough words with a happy melody, you know?
Yeah.
So
So I hope you
could
would
be
like it.
interesting.
And we love you a lot. And
Yeah, and
thank
happy
you.
holidays.
Happy
people.
holiday, although it will be after the holiday, but happy holiday. And we hope you would like the song and thank you for all the support that you're giving us. And Supportion. For all the supportion. All the support. And we love you a lot. And
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Have
Really
a nice
appreciate
day.
everything. Yeah, have a nice day.
And follow us.
Subscribe.
Yeah.